Alright guys, so we got 99-cent pizza here today. You already know the rules. One bite, and we get to rate what it is. Wow. Best pizza I ever had. I give that a 10 out of 10. Excited for New York?
Yes,
you
sir.
excited? You
9
excited?
hours. 9 hours, baby.
He's driving it the full way. No, I'm kidding. Adrian's is driving. Hey, Adrian's, you gotta say something about New York?
Hey, yo, listen, man. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna fuck a lot of bitches. This is 100% true. Listen, let me tell you something. We're going to New York right now. We're gonna drive for like 8 hours. I don't fucking know. I want to get the Aki burger. The Aki way, bro.
Get it the Aki way. Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Aki way.
Anything you gotta say before we
We're taking
get
a
going?
We're taking a 9-hour flick before we go.
What's up, guys? We're halfway there. We're almost in New Jersey.
I fell asleep midway through. Got bedhead, but now up and about, and we are gonna go finish this trip together.
Exactly. I mean, we got like 4 to 5 hours left. We're gonna stop at some gas station, have some food, and refuel, and then keep on going. And we'll see you guys there, I guess.
Any words, anything, guys?
Stopping in Milton, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, guys, look around. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. That's all I can say.
We're halfway there. My phone's about to die, but we'll grab some food and catch you guys at the house.
All right, peace.
Well. Our side quest has been completed. We're on the side of the road with a flat tire.
Hour and a half away from New Jersey.
You want to show them the tire?
Yeah, 100%. Wait a second. So the situation is critical at this point. We're stuck out here in the middle of fucking nowhere. All right. Wonderful. It's completely off. But
We're waiting for a cop to show up right now.
hey, but
Come
at least
change
we
it.
avoided the traffic, guys.
Hold
At least
on,
we avoided the traffic.
wait.
All right, guys. I guess that's it for now.
All right, we will see you guys when we
Somehow make it back if we can.
or we might just have a campfire here and start a rap battle.
Yeah, right by the side of the road.
We were thinking about doing Crossy Road, but I'm not really sure. And the traffic was stopped for 50 miles, so we got off an exit. And then for that, we got a flat tire. So we'll catch you guys when we're in a better situation than this.
Did you go to sleep when we did last night, Cam, or were you up for hours?
What's up, guys? Adrian's in town, Cam in town, Aiden in town. We safely made it to New Jersey, and actually this morning me and Aiden, we went to the tire shop.
Yeah, the car is now fixed. The tire is back, and we can make it back home.
Yeah, Cam, what do you got to tell?
We had 1 million beers for dinner.
Oh, yeah.
A big ass steak all for ourselves, and we all fell asleep, so there was no time to record. We were just exhausted. We woke up, we were really jolly. We played Heads Up, 7 Up, and then we went to bed.
Yeah, now we're on our way to New York right now. We're we're under a time crunch right now, so we gotta like push it real bad.
Yeah.
But once we make it to New York, guys, we'll show everything from our point of perspective.
Yep. Then
Yeah.
we're gonna offer old man $10 to dance.
Yes. Well, back to Cam.
Yes, you should shall now enjoy the New York vlog.
So geez, bro, look at me, all fucking blingy and shit. Right, these are wrong shoes, bro, but it's okay.
How much for the shoes?
Shoes? How much I bought them for?
Yeah.
Should I like calculate my fit?
Yeah.
Shoes were like 200.
Okay.
Pants were like 50.
Okay.
This linen shirt is from Zara. It's like 20 bucks.
What about the glasses?
Glasses, these are real shit Ray-Bans, bro. I'd say like 250.
Okay.
And then I got myself. I'm just fucking expensive.
All right, give me a rate. I got you.
All right, how much?
All right. So
The next station
this is
is
pretty
Newark,
old.
Penn Station.
This is pretty
When
old.
leaving the train,
So
please watch
she
the
keeps
gap.
talking.
She wants you, man.
All right, so this is opium, so it's like classified type shit. No one else could get it. This $90, 90 to 120. These 200. This not for sale, so it's like 5K. This was 7K. This.
Close up.
See it?
Yeah.
Straight off a team we got. And these classified.
Classified. All right, bro. I guess that's it. Nice city in Philly.
That's all it is.
Let's take it around, fellas. Take it around. Here we go. Now we're going to start off light and work our way up. Come on, fellas. Wake it up. Wake it up. Let's go. Let's go. Wake it up, what? Wake it up, what? Let's go, lad. Let's go, lad. Hey. We call him the one-armed bandit. Let's go, lad. Let's go, lad. Let's go, lad. Make some noise. Now next up, my younger brother. Let's go, money. Young money. Young money. Young money. Whoa. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Make some noise. Yes, big guys can do it too. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Make some noise. Now, all the way from Africa. Wakanda forever. Whoa. Let's go, you. Let's go, you. Let's go, you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Make some noise.
So what are your thoughts on New York so far?
There's a lot of interesting people here. It's a very
We're going there. We're gonna get one donut. Let's go to Krispy Kreme, guys. Let's get one donut.
You enjoying your stay so far?
I am.
We're probably gonna be on the news later for the things that we're gonna do. We're gonna give a homeless man a one chip
challenge.
if that does go through. But
$5 if he does it. We're not actually giving it to him.
but we will see you guys
With the homeless person in 10 minutes.
I'm not sitting down.
I am. I'm telling you.
Certified, my boy.
certified pedophiles.
That's some Canton Lounge shit. Look right there. What? Some Ohio shit. That's the city where we're from.
Yeah, we're in Ohio right now. This is what it looks like from the glimpse of it. Everywhere we go, everyone's trying to sell us something. So, anything you want to say?
$15 for some AirPod Maxes.
Yeah, that's honestly a great deal. You know, he said 50. I tried to get it to 15, but you know, he wasn't fucking with it. But we're down. We're about to go get some lunch and go get some Italiano. Oh shit!
Pero, ¿qué pasó?
Do you call me running away from them?
We will build a wall, the best wall you've ever seen. Very best.
What are you gonna do with the illegal immigrants?
Send them back!
What's up, guys? Us three boys. We just got done with our New York trip. We're heading back home, and yeah, today is gonna be a bit shorter drive, only 7 hours, unlike last time, 11 hours.
11 hours. We're stuck on the road with traffic, and then the tire flew off.
Yeah, but thankfully everything's all right now. The tire has been changed, and we're on our way now.
Yeah. New York was fun for the most part. I didn't really have the battery capacity to like record everything, so like I recorded bits and pieces. When I got towards the nighttime, when the city blew up, literally my phone was at 3% and just died. So all we did was just get pictures, get food and shit. But we got home, got in the hot tub, relaxed, and we just chilled, just fell asleep, woke up again, got breakfast, and then we're about to be headed. It wasn't really that crazy. It was just more of a boys trip, relax and enjoy the weekend. But we're about to end this road trip and hope you guys enjoyed.